sa may di kalayuan ay ikaw ang siyang.
Okay, everyone. So here we have this polarium. So Alexa, can you go show the? So here's this polarium, guys. This is the art that we had to go and see. So let's go see the information about Spolarium right now. Okay, let's see. Okay, so this painting was made by Juan Luna. This painting was made by Juan Luna, and yeah, ano siya? It's made in 1884 sa Rome. And ito yung gift ng Spain sa Philippines.
Sana'y palaring makadaupang palad ka at may sayaw sa lilim ng puno ng akasya. Lahat ng aking nabuong pangungusap sa'yo napupunta, hindi na isusulat ang di maipinta. Wag ang sabi ng iba, iba ang nakikita ko sa iyong mata. Wag paluluhain ka, bakit pag-ibig ang hatid mo sa tuwina? Minsan pa'y paikutin habang hawak ang kamay, maglalayag sa ilalim o ngiti mo ang gabay. Ituring mong panaginip, walang kontekstong kasabay. Alam ko lang sumapit ang hinihintay. Hawak mo ang balikat ko habang ang kamay ko'y nasa.
Hi guys, so we are currently at National Museum.
Ng mga bituin ay kinang ng iyong mata sa aking sinta. Sinta. Para bang suntok sa buwan, kung bukas ikaw pa rin ay nandiyan.
Wala ng cellphone.
Kaya naman susulitin bago muling
My style is ridiculous. If you see us in the club and we acting real nice, if you see us on the floor, you'll be watching all night. We ain't here to hurt nobody. Give it to me, give it to me, give it to me. Wanna see you work your body. Give it to me, give it to me, give it to me.
Always in the party, everybody put up their hands. I get a half a meal from my beach, you get a couple crack. Never go see the day that I ain't got nothing but hand. I'm respected from California, ain't way down to Japan. I'm a real producer, ain't just a piano man. Songs go top the charts, my girl, I'm not a fan. Niggas talking greedy, I'm the one that gave them their chance. Somebody need to tell them that they can't do it like I can.
See us in the club and we acting real nice.
mapag-isa. Ulit-ulitin hanggang sa magkabisa.